Dili siya blue happy. Kaya ako man vlog, hindi ka magbuot.
For the gift of family and old friendship. So bless each and every one who are around the table as we celebrate the birthday of my beloved niece, Ate Barga. So bless her with good health, prosperity in life, love, happiness, and overflowing blessings. Bless also everyone who are around with the same goodness, happiness, and love. May this food nourish not only our physical body, but also the physical soul. Bless us, and may the Almighty Father, and the Father, the Son, and the Spirit.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Yay!
Kanina po na.
Manang nag-iipon mo, wala di ay.
Ano man minimum imuang?